Hello Crafty friend, it's Justine. Today I'm going to work with the stamp and coordinating die of the month for January. Happy New Year. If you haven't popped on my channel yet, I'll tell you Happy New Year now. I'm going to work with this set. This set is called Just Because, and it's bee themed if you haven't guessed by now. These little bees are so stinking cute. If you want just the stamp set, you can get just the stamp set, or you can get the stamp set with the coordinating dies, which I always recommend. So I'm going to make a fun card here today. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I have a vision in my head, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. And then at the end I have a bonus card to show you, so stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and start off with this big stamped area down here and use some ink and get that on my card. Otherwise, the stamp set is super cute. It has a honey pot, some bees, one standalone flower, and then 4 sentiments that are all bee themed. I would like to say that they are puns as well. So we have a beautiful day, happy birthday, just because, which is what the stamp is named after, and then thanks for just being so sweet. I paired these sentiments with this stamp, or this die set. This was from BB Cameron's Snowflake collection, and they fit so nicely around these sentiments here. I've used them on a few cards this month. So here's that hexagon, which is kind of bee-like, and then this one that fits as well. And then if these aren't your thing, you can definitely use the sentiments that are the dies that came in the coordinating dies, so you can go ahead and stamp those out. But I will have those linked in the description if you're interested in those dies. So I'm going to go ahead and place this on right about here, and it's going to be I think it's going to be trimmed down, this paper that I'm using. So I think I'm going to kind of position it in the corner and hope for the best. Since I plan on Copic coloring all of these pretty flowers and big bee down at the bottom, I'm going to use some Memento black ink. This is what I used for these already. And I'm going to pop these on my card as well. At least that's my vision. The one thing that I really liked about this stamp set in particular is that the designs are very dainty. The lines are so thin and the bees are realistic, and I think that's just kind of clever. And if you're looking for something that's not realistic, the large die of the month is a little more cutesy, I'd say, and that is so fun with the honey pot. I made a really cool card with that. I actually made 2 projects, so you can check that out on my channel as well. Now, where did my stamp go? There it is. Here's my positioner tool made by my dear husband, and just give everything a press, and we'll see. Do we need to re-ink? Yes. You know, I think I need to re-ink my ink pad soon. I have the re-inker sitting right here. I should just do it after this video. Put it on top of my phone. So the second I'm done with this video, I'm going to want to grab that and check my messages. I know it, and that will remind me. Okay. And then we'll close it up. Oh, did I mess it up? I messed it up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fix that by grabbing another paper and getting to this spot, and I'll be right back. I'm actually going to re-ink it now before I try for the second time because I think it's just really dry. So to do that, I'm just adding ink onto here. They say to add it in drops. I like to do these little circular motions and just kind of work it in. You can see the ink pad is sucking it all up immediately. So that sucker was dry bones. Anyway, and I have plenty of this left over, so I can re-ink this over and over and over, and we'll be fine. Oh yeah, I can already tell that's nice and dark, super juicy, just like we like. I guess I won't be doing this off camera. We'll just leave this in the video, I guess. I feel like I get kookier and kookier the longer I film. And right now it's later in the evening. So there's that. A little update on our house. My husband has now done all the painting, so now we're waiting on the electricians to come and help us with the lights, and then we will be transitioning everything back into my craft room, so that should be interesting to say the least. Okay, so now my vision was just to turn this around and have it be on the bottom, but since I just had to position it in the corner here, what I have to do now is wash the stamp, position it on my card area, and then go again. So bear with me. I'm going to grab my spray bottle and clean this up. This is water soluble ink, so it just needs a little water and a rag, and I'm all good to go. I did just get some Ink on 3 cleaner from Nancy Stamps and Tracy Schultz as a Christmas gift. Have I tried it yet? No. I'm scared I'm going to wreck it. But I really need to try it. So the next time I use another ink, are you kidding me? And I got ink on my project. You guys. Should we just start over? You know what? We're just going to go with it because the show must go on. Oh my goodness, I have ink all over my left hand. Okay, loving this for me. Okay. Okay. How many times am I going to say okay? Next, I'm going to position this right where I want it to go, which is going to be a reflection of the top. That should be fine. And then I will ink this bottom. Perfect. I love that there's ink all over this bottom. You know what? We're going to color it and it won't even be a problem. And if it is, I'll put glitter or something over it. I don't know. A sequin covers up a lot. We'll just put it that way. All right. Take 2/3. We're going to redeem this. Also, I think that little honey pot is going to fit perfectly in the center of this hole. So I'm excited to see how that will look. Okay, the vision is coming to life, so hooray. I'll get my mini Misty out of the way. By the way, this mini Misty is my go-to for stamping things like this. I know I've kind of been a struggle bus today, but you know, sometimes it's like that in the craft room. All right. Next, we need to trim down this. So I'm going to grab my trimmer. My Spellbinders trimmer is so cute. And I'm going to trim it down to 4 inches because I'm going to mat this. It's like they knew that that's what I would want because I feel like the image fits in that size really well. Same with this, 5 1/4. This is why I think Spellbinders is just superior to a lot of companies because I feel like they know what we're going to do. They know we want to mat this on a background, so they made this stamped image small enough, not just small enough, just the right size to fit on here. So, so dramatic with my hands sometimes. Okay. Yes, the honey pot fits there very well. So cute. And then these bees, eventually I'm going to be popping up. Sir, what happened to your wing? I think I have extra bees die cut. We'll see. I must have touched my ink pad. Good grief. Good thing I fell in love with these bees and have extras. He'll be the one that got away. Okay, so I need to color my bees, I need to color my honey pot, and this background. So what I'm going to do is color this, and I probably have some music going in the background, so I will pop the Copic markers up So if you're interested in knowing what color I'm using on some of these areas, hopefully you will be able to see. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I can help you out. But I'm going to start with pulling out my yellows for my bee and my B01 for the wings. And then I'm looking at this and I'm seeing some greens. So my go-to greens are YG67 and YG03. They're just a great combo. And then yellow probably will be my background. And main color for my honey pot. Should we do light blue flowers? I'm always drawn to blue. I just don't know. I think I'm going to go with blue and blue violet colors for the flowers. I think that would be pretty. Or should I do blue, blue violet, and pink? Those cool tones I just cannot stay away from. They are just what my hand reaches for. I can't help it. Okay. So far, these are the colors I'm working with, and why not pull out some dark blues too? So, for the blues, we have B05, B26, B23, BV04, BV00, RV32, V06, RV21. So let's get to coloring. I will put some little music on the background of this so it's not too terribly long, because I already took 10 years to make the stamp work out. So here we go. As I'm finishing up this last flower, I just want to say that that was super relaxing and I enjoyed coloring this a whole bunch. But my goodness, did I use the Copic markers. So here is a look at all the ones I used. So if you need to screen grab this, go ahead. Otherwise, you can use whatever color your heart desires. All right. Now for putting this lovely card together, I need to find a background color. I'm thinking some kind of a golden yellow. I think this one's called Tuscan or Tucson. I don't remember what they named it. Tucson would probably make sense because Spellbinders is out of Arizona, but Tuscan sounds really pretty too, so who knows? I forgot. I just know that I really enjoy using this cardstock because I've gone through a whole pack of this color already. And this month with all the bees is helping me want to order another. Okay, so that's on, and then to finish up this card, I'm going to put some foam squares on to get everything settled. I'm using the Spellbinders small foam squares. We're going to pop up the honey pot and the bees just to make sure that that's the interest. This video is just, it's been challenging my crafty stamina because things are out of ink, things are moving around, things are getting stuck where they're not supposed to. I had technical difficulties with my iPad. So yeah, it's just been interesting today. Alright, now I can put this on and then add my sentiment and the bees. Okay, I am loving this card. How cute are these little bees on there? That is so cute. I'm glad that I persevered through all of the weird moments for filming and got this beautiful card in the end. So now all I have to do is pop it on a card base and I'll be all set. So thank you so much for watching. I know it was kind of an odd video today, so thank you for the support. But before you head out, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm going to be doing a live later this month with my good friend Melanie Smith. So that's exciting. And then here's a look at my second card. Woohoo! I went the blue and black method, and you can see that pretty embossing folder. It looks just gorgeous on the brushed gold cardstock from Spellbinders. And this is the 3D embossing folder of the month. So it was kind of fun to tie all of the little products together. So be sure to come back tomorrow. I'm going to have a video up on my channel that's all about the embossing folders, and I will feature the small die on that again. And with the embossing folders, I'm going to show you how I color on 3D embossing folders. I know a few people had questions about that last month, so I'm going to show you the technique this time. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.